My dear friends, welcome to Gallant IAS, and many of you are appearing for Civil Service Examination 2023, and the problem with many aspirants, you don't have a proper routine. You don't have a proper routine to follow. So actually the routine is customizable. Every student, every aspirant should have his or her own routine which is flexible to you, which is like okay for you. Now coming to aspirants who have completed their preparation, last year, and they wanted a thorough revision of the subjects including optional, CSAT, etc., and want to give their best in 2023 for them. Okay, this routine I recommend, and this is something very simple, and it is not necessary you must follow this. This is a routine which I share with you, and you find it okay with you, it's flexible for you, you just follow it. Maybe I set it from 6:30, okay, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. This is your first slot. This is slot number 1, and here you can take any subject. For example, you start with maybe geography. Okay, yes, you prefer one subject which is geography. Then 6:30 to 7:30, take a half an hour break. The second slot is from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and this is slot number 2. Here again you continue the same subject, geography. So the morning 2 hours you dedicate for one subject which is geography. This routine I recommend for especially our Chakde Mains mentorship students, okay, those who have already completed the GS syllabus, Prelims Mains syllabus. For them I recommend this routine, okay. I mean, for all those aspirants who completed your preparation, this is not for the aspirants first time, start with the GS preparation. You just stick on to your preparation routine, your class schedules, etc. This is for those guys who already completed. Last year they have done GS. This year they wanted a very systematic approach of revision of subjects. So this 2 hours you give for one subject, multiple modules you can finish, okay. Then again you take a break of a half an hour. 9:30 you can start the next one, okay. 9:30 to 10:30, 1 hour slot, okay. You pick another subject. For example, this is slot 3 where you take another subject. You took polity. There is polity. Then take a break of 15 minutes, 10:45 to 11:45. Yes, this is slot number 4. There you continue with the same polity. So 2 hours for another subject, okay. Morning 2 hours you given for one GS subject. Next 2 hours you given for another subject, okay. Then I would suggest you 11:45. So take again 15 minutes break or maybe half an hour break. 12:15 to 1:15 or 1:30 you can go for. I would suggest you this time, answer writing. Just practice. Even if you don't have the fresh questions, you can go for the previous year's questions, okay. So practice answer writing. You have peer groups or you have mentors, and write answers, get the feedback and try to analyze yourself. Have a personal assessment on your answers and try to improve upon the feedback, okay. Then take a break, 1:30 to 2:30. 1:30 to 2:30 you can have your lunch break. Even you can have a small nap also. After that from 3 p.m. To 4 p.m. Then 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. you can have your, this slots, this is slot this is slot 6 and 7 because answer writing is slot 5, okay. This is slot 6 and 7. Here you can go for your optional subject, okay. You can go with your optional subject. This is again flexible, I'm telling you, okay. 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 2 hours, and again it is flexible. You plan it accordingly, but I would say at least 2 hours, because you already studied your optional. Now at least 2 hours every day you spend on your optional subject, okay? Now after which again you can have a break of 1 hour. You take a break of 1 hour, evening 1 hour. Then next slot you can give it to 6 to 7, okay, or 6 to 7:30. Yes, this is one slot which is dedicated for your CSAT. This 1.5 hour slot is for CSAT. Again, you have a break. That break, your dinner and all. Then you sit with 8:30. 8:30 to 10, you can go for your current affairs. You can go for your current affairs. You can go for your current affairs, okay? Then again, have a break of 30 minutes. 10:30. 10:30 to 12:30. Yes, here you can go for your practices. Maybe the previous questions of prelims mains can be practiced, optional can be practiced. Also this slot can be used for revisions. Okay, this day, this is one of the schedule I am sharing with you. Okay, we have different schedules. This is one of the schedule I share with you. You can follow this, and if you follow like this schedule, you can finish, you can allot 10 to 15 days for each subject. 10 to 15 days for each subject, you can finish it one by one, because every day you finish minimum 2 GS subjects, okay, geography and polity. So you finish it in 10 to 15 days, then go for the next 2 subjects. Maybe it is economy and history, okay, that way you finish all GS subjects. Even you can finish like, society. Not required, 15 days not required. In 7 days you can finish your society. Similarly, you can finish your social justice in 7 days. IR you can finish in your 10 days, okay. Internal security can be in 7 or 8 days, okay. Ethics can be in 10 or 15 days, okay. So that way, both including case studies. So that way you set, and the advantage of this particular routine is, yes, every day you study minimum 2 GS subjects, and every day you have answer writing. Every day you have your time for optional subject revision, and every day you have time for CSAT practice. Every day you have time for current affairs preparation, and also the final slot before bed, yes, that is revision slot, okay. What all you studied that day, you can go for a revision. So this is something, a routine which I recommend to all aspirants who completed your syllabus last year, and this year you are, maybe you are in the border, missed prelims because of 2 marks or 3 marks or 1 marks, whatever, or because of CSAT, whatever. So for them, I am telling you, this routine can be followed till next October or till next December. You can finish it off, because after December, all of you guys will get into the full-fledged prelims track, So before that, make sure your prelims mains subjects are properly covered, learned, revised multiple times. Answer writing, plenty of answer writings you practiced in every subject, and revisions are done, current affairs are revised, CSAT is practiced. Don't keep CSAT for the last day, okay. Right from now onwards, every day at least 1.5 hours you spend on CSAT. Then again optional, I would say that if you at least 2 hours you spend every day, within 3 months you can, just 3 months you can, means you covered the syllabus, you studied the syllabus of, or you covered optional, and this is revision slots I am telling you. So if you give at least 2 hours every day, within 3 months itself you can finish the revision of your optional also. So this is a routine I suggest to all aspirants. Yes, if you struggle with the lack of a proper routine, I suggest this you can follow. You stick in your reading room in front of your study table and follow it. Okay, it should not be like that 2 days or 3 days you followed, then you ignored. It should not be like that. It must be habitual action. It must be done every day. Follow this on a habit, on a regular basis, and finish the target accordingly. Okay, and how thorough revisions, get the support of your mentors. Okay, even if it is answer writing, or if you have any doubts in any areas, be it optional, CSAT, GS, get your doubts cleared by the respective faculty mentors, and be well prepared for 2023. Don't do that. Don't think that, yes, in the last 4 months I will, give my best. That will never happen. You start from now onwards. Okay, the last 4 month strategy you done last time also, and because of that we failed. You remember, okay? So don't think that the last 4 months I will do preparation. That the last 4 month magic is not practical for everyone. So if you feel you couldn't clear this time even after giving these 4 months best effort, then you start from now onwards, yeah. Okay. Maybe CSAT is your weaker area, the reading comprehension or reasoning or quantitative aptitude, whatever your weaker area. Maybe GS is your weaker area, current affairs is your weaker area. Start from now itself if you really wish to clear 2023. Otherwise, the same saga will be repeated. Okay, the last 2 to 3 months, you give your full effort, you will have the pressure that I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to do this, I have to do this. Don't take that risk, okay, right from now onwards. Okay, it is you segregate the entire syllabus, your entire portion stuff into various capsules or various slots and finish it accordingly. Okay, so all the best. For more details, you can contact Gallant IAS and get the support of your best mentors. Okay, all the best. Thank you.